Tell me a little bit more about Talking Hatchback World. What happens in Talking Hatchback World?
The race cars race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what else?
All them race and race, and the only one who gets to win guess its name.
Fudge.
No.
What?
Lucky?
Lucky. Now, what is Talking Hatchback World?
It's a planet. It's one of the planets that I made up. And the planets that I made up from in my head travel around my head.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, they're teeny tiny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now, how small is teeny tiny? Look up, look up. How small is teeny tiny?
Well,
About that big?
that's as small as teeny tiny.
Okay.
I need